The golden years, time for you. This is the moment you've been waiting for, a time to cherish and enjoy. Retirement, a word that evokes a mix of emotions, excitement for newfound freedom, the joy of having time to do what you love, maybe a touch of uncertainty about the unknown. It's natural to feel this way as you step into a new phase of life. This next chapter is yours to write. Think of it as a blank canvas, ready for your unique story. It's a time to embrace new adventures and rediscover yourself. Whether it's hiking through nature or picking up a paintbrush, the possibilities are endless. For many, retirement marks the end of a career, a time to say goodbye to the daily grind and hello to a more relaxed pace, but it's really a beginning of a life filled with new experiences and opportunities, a beginning filled with possibilities. From learning new skills to nurturing a garden, there's so much to explore. It's a time to explore passions put on hold. Dust off that guitar or try your hand at a cooking class, a time to reconnect with yourself. Find peace in meditation or joy in solitary hobbies. Remember, staying active and engaged is vital. Join a fitness class or play a game of tennis to keep your body moving. It keeps you young at heart, mind and body. Dancing or biking can bring a youthful energy to your days. It's about more than just filling time. It's about finding purpose and making a difference. It's about living life to the fullest. Travel to new places or enjoy a simple picnic in the park. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Pack your bags and plan your adventures. Let's explore the many ways to make your retirement fulfilling. Engage with your community, explore new cities, and make every moment count. The gift of time. Discover new passions. Retirement offers a unique opportunity to dive into activities you've always been curious about but never had the time to explore. Remember those hobbies you always wanted to try? Now is the perfect moment to revisit those dreams and turn them into reality. Retirement is the perfect time. Always dreamt of painting? Join an art class. Fascinated by photography? There are countless workshops and courses available to help you master the art of capturing moments. Capture the world through your lens. Whether it's the beauty of nature, the hustle and bustle of city life, or the simple joys of everyday moments, photography can open up a new way of seeing the world. Maybe you've always loved to bake. Now, with more time on your hands, you can experiment with new recipes, perfect your favorite ones, and even create your own signature dishes. Now you can perfect those recipes and share delicious treats with loved ones. Imagine the joy of baking cookies with your grandchildren or serving a homemade pie at family gatherings. The key is to explore. Try something new. Whether it's pottery, music, gardening, or any other activity that piques your interest, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. You might surprise yourself with hidden talents. Sometimes the most unexpected activities can bring the greatest joy and fulfillment. Remember, it's never too late to learn and grow. Every new skill you acquire adds a new dimension to your life and keeps your mind sharp and engaged. Embrace this new chapter with open arms and a playful spirit. Retirement is not just an end, but a beginning of a new, exciting journey. Your passions are waiting to be discovered. Dive in, explore, and let your newfound interest bring joy and fulfillment to your life. Travel the world, expand your horizons. Retirement opens doors to incredible travel experiences. Always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower sparkle? Now's your chance. Dreamed of a peaceful retreat in the mountains? Go for it. Travel broadens our perspectives. It introduces us to new cultures and ways of life. Imagine exploring bustling markets in Morocco or taking a cooking class in Tuscany. Travel doesn't have to break the bank either. Look for senior discounts and off-season deals. Join a travel club to connect with like-minded adventurers. The world awaits. The joy of learning. Never stop growing. Learning doesn't stop after retirement. In fact, it can become even more enjoyable. Pick up a new language, enroll in online courses, join a book club, and share your love of reading. Stimulating your mind keeps you sharp and engaged. It opens doors to new interests and friendships. Learn about history, art, science, whatever sparks your curiosity. Many communities offer free or low-cost classes for seniors. Local colleges often have continuing education programs. Never underestimate the power of lifelong learning. Section 5. Giving back, the power of volunteering. Retirement offers a unique opportunity to give back to your community. Volunteer your time and skills to a cause you care about. The rewards are immeasurable, whether it's helping at a local food bank, mentoring youth, or supporting a favorite charity. Volunteering brings joy and purpose. It connects you with others and makes a real difference. Studies show that volunteering can improve both mental and physical health. It provides a sense of purpose and belonging. Sharing your time and talents is truly a gift. Section 6. Stay social, stay connected. Staying connected with others is crucial for a happy and fulfilling retirement. Make time for friends and family. Join social groups and clubs. Don't underestimate the power of laughter and shared experiences. Join a dance class, a gardening club, or a walking group. These activities provide opportunities to socialize while pursuing your interests. Laughter is the best medicine, and good company makes life richer. Make an effort to connect with people regularly. Host potlucks, game nights, or movie nights. Socializing keeps you feeling young and vibrant. Section 7. Health is wealth, keep moving. Physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It doesn't have to be strenuous. Find activities you enjoy, like walking, swimming, gardening, or dancing. Regular exercise helps prevent chronic diseases, improves balance and flexibility, and boosts mood. Even moderate activity makes a difference. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther away and enjoy the walk. Join a gym, take a yoga class, or simply go for a walk in nature. Every step counts towards a healthier and happier you. Remember, movement is medicine. Section 8. Mind matters. Engage your brain. Just like your body, your brain needs exercise too. Keep your mind sharp by challenging yourself with puzzles, games, and new learning experiences. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, and brain training apps are great ways to stimulate cognitive function. Learning a new language or musical instrument also keeps your mind agile. Engage in activities that require focus and concentration. It's like a workout for your brain. The more you use it, the sharper it stays. Section 9. Financial fitness, plan for a secure future. Retirement can be a time of financial freedom, but it requires careful planning. Create a budget, explore investment options, and consult with a financial advisor to ensure a secure future. Consider part-time work or consulting opportunities if you'd like to supplement your income. Retirement doesn't have to mean a complete stop to earning. It can be a time to explore new avenues. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are about your finances, the better equipped you'll be to enjoy a comfortable and worry-free retirement. Section 10. Embrace your legacy, share your wisdom. This chapter is all about the importance of passing down the knowledge and experiences you've gathered throughout your life. It's about creating a bridge between generations and ensuring that the lessons you've learned are not lost but cherished and utilized by those who come after you. You've accumulated a lifetime of experiences and wisdom. These moments, both big and small, have shaped who you are today. They are treasures that can provide guidance, comfort, and inspiration to others. Share your stories, skills, and knowledge with younger generations. Whether it's a tale from your youth, a skill you've mastered, or a lesson learned from a mistake, these insights are invaluable. They can help others navigate their own paths with more confidence and understanding. Become a mentor, volunteer in your community, or simply spend time with loved ones. Your insights are invaluable. By engaging with others, you not only enrich their lives, but also find a renewed sense of purpose and connection. Sharing your story can inspire and guide others. It can provide them with a sense of history, a deeper understanding of their roots, and a clearer vision for their future. Mentoring a young person can provide them with confidence and direction. Your experiences can serve as a roadmap, helping them to avoid pitfalls and seize opportunities. Your legacy is shaped by the lives you touch. Every interaction, every shared moment leaves an imprint. These connections are the threads that weave the fabric of your legacy. Leave your mark on the world by sharing your gifts. Whether it's a family recipe, a craft, or a piece of advice, these contributions are what make you unique and valuable. Your knowledge and experience are precious. They are the culmination of a lifetime of learning, growing, and evolving. Pass them on and make a difference in the lives of others. By doing so, you ensure that your legacy lives on, not just in memories, but in the actions and successes of those you've touched. Section 11. Live your best life every day. Retirement is a gift, a time to embrace new adventures and savor life's simple pleasures. Wake up each day with a grateful heart and a thirst for life. Spend time in nature, pursue your passions, connect with loved ones, and never stop learning and growing. This is your time to shine. Embrace the journey, live with intention, and make every day a masterpiece. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.